Hello, this is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. How are you? Today I'd like to introduce you our rolling shutter slat roll forming machine. Here I have this profile in my hand, and this profile has pattern here. It's very popular in Philippines. If you are interested in this machine, follow me to check more details. Let's go. The roll forming machine production line for shutter slat is simple. It has the decoiler, then the roll forming machine part, and at the last you can see the hydraulic cut. Here, this is the guiding part. The machine structure is stretch panel. Here is the guiding part. You put the steer enter into the roll forming guiding. Then the rollers will lead the machine runs. This machine has 16 roll forming stations. The machine structure is made wall panel. It is very resistant and it is suitable for 0.8 mm thickness to produce this rolling slat. All the rollers are chromed. They are very hard and has a good performance during the production. This is a roller to make the pattern. And after that, here we go into another guiding head to make the profile beautiful and with a very good shape. Now let's see how it works by automatic mode.